Yeah, massively proud. I think to come to a team who are fourth in the world away from home is a good achievement. I think we obviously would have loved to have taken 3 points, but the next best thing is a point, and yeah, we take that and we move on.
Did you think you'd almost won it second half when you got through?
Yeah, I thought it might have snuck in, but not meant to be. But no, it's not about me. It's about the whole team. The whole team effort. Everybody worked very hard yet again. The fans are incredible yet again, and yeah, hopefully now we can have more confidence for the next game, and the snowball effect continues.
Did you show your character again tonight to hold out aside the top 4 team in the world?
Yeah, definitely. I think previous years we definitely would have caved probably towards the end, but we showed what we're made of. We showed what true team spirit we've got, and yeah, we pulled through and got the point in the end.
And what does this do for confidence?
Massive to be able to come away to a top 5 team in the world and get a result is fantastic for our confidence, and something we're looking to build on. Something obviously we will keep plugging away, and the main thing is not to get too carried away and keep performing as well as we can.
Part of you must be thinking it's going our way.
Yeah, at the moment it's going our way. It's been difficult, but it's all down to our hard work. No luck has been involved. We've all given 110% on the pitch. We work hard on the training field, and we feel like we're getting everything we deserve out there.
What about Israel now in March? A long time off, but it's such a huge game, isn't it?
Yeah, every game is a huge game. If we realistically want to qualify, every game is massive. It's like a final, and obviously this will give us a great deal of confidence going into the next camp, and yeah, we'll be aiming to get the 3 points there.
Do you still think Belgium are the team to beat in this group?
Yeah, for sure. I think they're a fantastic team with fantastic players, and it was very difficult tonight. Don't get me wrong, the draw wasn't easy to come by, but yeah, we worked hard. We show what a great team we are, and yeah, I think they are the ones to beat, but we'll give it a go ourselves.